Across our region, we're not really seeing too much in terms of shower activity just yet, but those rain chances really are going to be increasing. We're just seeing a few isolated showers around Carter and Ripley counties in southeastern Missouri and also across Jefferson County and our northernmost counties around southern Illinois. As we go throughout the rest of the morning and for your morning commute, I expect temperatures to be into the mid to upper 50s with a south-southeast wind sustained at 20 miles per hour and gusts possibly up to 40. That's why we have a wind advisory that went into effect here at 5 a.m. Now in a few minutes, we'll talk about when that rain will move in and what you can expect coming up in your full forecast here in just a few minutes.